20th Century Fox presents the story of a mother
We're more like sisters.
and a daughter.
All I wanted was an ordinary life.
Did they throw out that furniture? Is that garbage?
But living with my mother,
Oh, honey, let me help you. Here, it's a girl. Don't scratch the car.
that would never happen. She's crazy. What kept me going was knowing that one day I would leave her. But just because she gave me life doesn't mean she's gonna let me have one. When I graduate next year, I want to go to college back east.
Over my dead body.
Get it, Mother? I want to be on my own and you on your own.